Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make green chili chicken enchiladas. Despite the word enchiladas in this recipe, this is a uniquely American dish that originates in the American Southwest, and it's one I definitely grew up eating. It celebrates the green chilies of New Mexico and has some definitely unique American ingredients added in, like cream cheese, but boy is it delicious. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and lightly grease a 9x13 pan. Then grab 8 ounces of cream cheese, and we need to soften this up and make it really spreadable so it can mix with other ingredients. I like to do this with a hand mixer. Place it into a mixing bowl and then beat it with the hand mixer until light and fluffy, which will take about 1 minute. Then we can ditch the hand mixer and add in 7 ounces of diced green chilies, and you want to make sure you drain the can. Pour in 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Then I'll add in half a teaspoon of each of chili powder and ground cumin, and then 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add in half a cup of freshly chopped cilantro, and then we'll mix this together. Next, you'll need 3 cups of cooked, diced, or shredded chicken. You can use rotisserie chicken for this, leftovers, or you can cook some up especially for this. It takes about 3 large chicken breasts to create 3 cups. Then you just fold that in. Pour 15 ounces of green salsa verde into another separate mixing bowl, or you could use green enchilada sauce, and then add in 1 cup of sour cream and whisk this until it's well combined. Scoop a large spoonful of this mixture and spread it out in just a really super light layer on the bottom of your pan so that your tortillas don't stick. Now, traditional Mexican enchiladas always use corn tortillas, and you can use corn tortillas in this recipe. However, if you've ever had this dish, one of the unique characteristics of it is that it does use flour tortillas. You need about 10 8-inch flour tortillas, and yes, I know that kind of makes this more of a smothered burrito, but let me tell you, it's delicious no matter what you call it. Scoop about half a cup of the chicken and cream cheese mixture into the center of a tortilla, and you'll fold in the ends and roll it up like a burrito. And then place this into your prepared 9x13 pan, seam side down. How many you get depends on how full you stuff them. I usually aim for about 10 to 12. Pour that salsa verde sour cream mixture over the tops of your enchiladas. Then sprinkle on 2 cups of grated Monterey Jack cheese, or you could use pepper jack or even mozzarella if you want to be totally blasphemous. We're going to bake this uncovered in the preheated 375 degree oven for 30 minutes until the cheese on top is bubbling and browned. If you want extra browning, put it under the broiler setting for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I like to garnish mine with a little bit more of that freshly chopped cilantro, and then you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.